Applying to residency can be tough. There's a lot of moving pieces, and especially if you're doing it for the first time. Doc, tell us a little bit about what was the hardest part for you in this application process.
Yes, definitely. There's definitely a lot of hard parts when it comes to applying to residency programs. But I would definitely say the two hardest parts were waiting for interviews to come through because not everything came through at one time. And it was kind of honestly spread out between like 2 months of waiting from when I got my first interview to when I got my last interview invitation. But kind of that waiting game after you submit your application and then you're waiting for interviews. So you're just spiraling in your head, thinking about everything. And then I think Student Doctor Network is a really great tool to use when people start hearing back from programs. But I think it's hard too, because some programs that you may have applied to, other students may have received interview invites and posted about it and you didn't. And so I think that is always hard, to comparing yourself in that aspect. So I definitely think that in the fall, that kind of waiting interview process was a little bit difficult. And then definitely after my last interview, waiting until match day, we were in it for the long haul. And, it's a highly anticipated day when you're waiting for match day, but definitely well worth it and exciting. But you start spiraling and thinking back to all your interviews and I should have said this or I could have said that better. So I think definitely the waiting for both interviews and then for match day were the hardest parts.
Yeah, the waiting.